Hi everyone, Simon here. This is just a short video to show you the AIM standalone application. I'll start by turning on the audio. And first I'll show you the AIM pattern vary, which I open by going to the AIM setup window, clicking the toggle beside pattern vary. I will show you this with the sample player. And firstly, I'll go in and load in a pattern of solid 8 notes. All of the rhythm gen controls are within the AIM rhythm gen interface. So this is the different rhythmic divisions and then individual voice values for rests and complexity. And we control the global values for those on the main screen. Insert rests. And then of course we can have a full drum beat. And extra or additional notes are also controlled from the main interface. Using this XY controller here, we can interpolate between different values, different presets, or back to the start. Next I'll show you the AIM looper, which again we load from the AIM setup window, clicking the toggle beside looper. When I open up the looper multi-voice interface, I can either load a sample into one of the voices, or I can drag and drop an entire folder of samples. In this case, I will load this sample, and as you can hear at the start, we just get a constant click. The reason for this is that the system doesn't know how many divisions are in the sample, so we need to open the tab and then set the number of beats in the sample. So if I say 32, then it automatically knows the tempo. Again, the rhythm gen variables map directly to this looper. The looper also has other sample specific variations like grain size changes, gating, reversing segments, re-triggering or looping segments, jumping playback. You can reorganize the segments of the sample. Modulo will bring us back to the original sample, or we can shuffle, rotate, do retrograde or inversions to get different sequences. At the bottom we also have the option to repitch segments. Anytime now that you load this specific sample into one of the voices, the system will automatically know the number of beats. So you only have to tell it the number of beats the very first time you load a sample. Finally, I'll show you the AIM melody vary. Again, we load the AIM melody vary in the AIM setup window to toggle beside melody vary, and for this I will use the FM synth contained within the system. We open the multi-voice interface. Again, we have different tabs for each of the 4 voices. We can change the number of voices as well. And within each tab we have a step sequencer style interface, which we can draw in notes. And then we have to give each of these notes a rhythmic value. Full becomes individual notes on each trigger, or half we can tie, or we can insert pauses. We've got scalar note variations. The melody can be inverted. I'm just going to raise the minimum pitch so this is a bit easier to hear. Our original melody. The inversion of the original. Retrograde of the original will be next, starting bare. Retrograde inversion. Expansion, in which case each of the intervals is expanded. Sequence. Or a scalar melody. Okay, thanks everyone.